So from sumptuous wine to honey gold, our next wig is called Melany, and I am unboxing her just as I did with this one, right with you. The colour is a TT4 27613, so a blend of 3 colours, and the roots are like a medium brown. Sometimes you have a TT4 colour and the roots seem more like a black or a really dark brown than it does a medium brown, whereas they've stayed true to the colour 4 in this one. It's a lace part wig. It has 3 combs, one right next to the part, one to the right and one at the back, and it also has the elasticated adjustable straps. A nice wide parting, which means that you can wear them straight out of the packet, and if you want to colour the lace in, add a bit of foundation or concealer and it makes the parting really realistic. Somewhat of an attempt to baby hairs there, but I would say it's a pretty poor attempt. The stock card, as it was on some of the previous videos, it says one middle parting, but it's not a middle parting, it's quite clearly a side parting. So I wonder when Sleek are going to update their cards. Anyway, it's got a 4-inch lace part and it is tongleable up to 200 degrees C. Let's just test for shedding. One strand. So this cap is made extremely well. Wow, this wig screams glam. Wow. The cap is very snug. It's a medium cap. I have a big head. I can still wear it, but I won't be wearing it with the straps done up because otherwise I'll get a headache. I love the colour. I feel like I've got gold on my head. Beautiful. Look at that, straight out the packet. This is the part up close. I haven't put any concealer in there. I haven't plucked it or anything. You know, I'm showing you wigs just as they come out the packet. If you want to modify them in any way, you can. This wig is gorgeous. Wow, wow, wow. Look at this. Ladies, right now, I want you to hit the like button because this is a great wig. So this is the wig with all the hair forwards. To the side, the back, and the other side. The texture of the hair is nice. The density is nice and full, but not overly full to make it look fake. I love it. I love the colour blend. I love it. I love it. You know, when I love it, I love it. It's like you've just been to the hairdresser. Brilliant. Oh, I love it. And I love this length. So there we have it. This is Melany in the colour TT4 27613. And I must say, she is delightful. Subscribe. Use the discount code that appeared on your screen for discounts off this wig. And I look forward to seeing you on my next review.